I see three challenging areas. One of the prime ones is an area of configurations. You have several types of vehicles: stake truck, dump truck, sedans, plows, and so on. I saw today, for example, there was a stake truck. There was no wiring diagram available. So they had to manually probe the wires. They had to start up the truck, engage it into reverse, and to manually, physically locate the reverse signal and the other signals. So different configurations are going to be challenging. In the second area, major challenge will be, again in the stake truck, and the dashboard, we have a HUD, a head-up display. It's normally located on the dash directly in front of the driver. However, in the stake truck, there's no room to place the head-up display. So they had to find a location, which at this time, the only location available is the cup holder. Another major challenge area will be in the area of setup and final calibration for each vehicle. The calibration procedure is not user-friendly, so that's an area that they'll find the right technicians to do so. On the bright side, and what I've seen with ODOT, the technicians, the trainers, they're all very, very experienced. When I saw them dive into the wiring problem today, they had the knowledge and the experience to quickly troubleshoot, locate the wiring, and proceed on with the installation. So I think they're absolutely outstanding. One of the other challenge areas will be in the antenna location. The antennas are located on the roofs of the vehicles, stake truck, dump truck. In the dump truck, they have this wide back stainless steel backing that can interfere with the antenna operation with good communication to the vehicle immediately behind the dump truck. So that required the physical relocating of the antenna for proper placement, so it would ensure good communication to the surrounding vehicles, especially immediately behind the dump truck. Another challenging area in vehicles, especially vehicles that are heavy-duty vehicles in harsh environments like snow and ice and salt. There's a lot of corrosion. So one of the very important requirements for the connected vehicle OBU, onboard unit, is a good ground. You need to have a good solid ground, proper connection. Otherwise, if you do not have a solid ground, you have poor vehicle-to-vehicle communication, and it can hamper the operation of the vehicle-to-vehicle OBU. I think that really it's really understanding each vehicle that you will be working on. You have to have the proper instructions, the proper tools, proper equipment, and just good solid fundamentals of the vehicle that you will be working on or installing on. Some cases there may be a situation where you won't have a written procedure, so you will have to use your own experience to figure out what will be the proper method to whatever the situation may be. Locating a wire, proper splicing, and so on. We gave the trainers some formal background on vehicle to vehicle. Actually, V to X, vehicle to anything, vehicle to infrastructure, vehicle to person, vehicle to vehicle. So they understand what this is all about. They're not just throwing in black boxes into a vehicle and off it goes, but they are supporting a wonderful future technology that will enhance our safety, decrease accidents, more efficient traffic flow, and also for the protection of surrounding pedestrians and hazards and obstacles and so on. It's just a wonderful technology. Now they have a more overall picture of what this is all about, rather than, again, throwing a black box.